Garrison.
Hyper Sniper Production. Thunderbox Entertainment. Crazy. Hiawondah, yeah. That's my name. That's my name. What the tongues? No, no, no. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? General took them to school then. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Yes, Selassie, I rule them. Whenever we runs out, disrespect the general guns pop out. Lipstick on the lip, now a blood run out. Thunderbox Entertainment run the road. I'm free like a bird, they can't see me. Garrison me make music, let me be something beautiful they wanna see. No more bullshit, no animosity. I witness the news, cup about the fuse. Field Marshal General, now go lose. Get a love when we come around, vibes is good. We roll with the people in the hood. We rock starring, we still packing. Government not do nothing, so I'm more killing. Positive vibes, bunga man bring. Sweet song where Garrison come sing, yo. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? General took them to school then. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Yes, Selassie, I rule them. You not like me not like you. What's gonna be the outcome? Me see you, you see me. It's gonna be a showdown. You're a bad man, I'm a rock star, and gangsters don't run. One died there, you died there. Shot him with me big machine gun. Life is no game. Things got to change. The way you live is so much insane. Mess up your brain. Crack and cocaine. Your life is lame. Upgrade yourself, maintain. You slip, you slide. You drunk, not drive. It's not your life. Gangster will shot your wife. I ask them why so much people die. Who shouldn't die? Them Garrison no reply. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? General took them to school then. Who fooled them? Who fooled them? Who fooled them? I wonder, whenever we runs out, him talk too much and the gun pop out. Lip sip and the lip, no a blood run out. I wonder, that's my fucking name, no doubt. None free like a bird, they can't see me. Gotta make music, let me be something beautiful they wanna see. No more bullshit, no animosity.